Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to earn money by the software engineers. So which are the websites, top websites where you can create a profile and get the projects and do the projects and you get the award accordingly, right? So we have the taskrapid.com, right? So here we have the popular projects in your area: mount a TV mirror, move box water. See, here all the job posts are there, so you can apply accordingly and you will get the job and you will pay with this amount according to what you have bid, right? Second one is the Upwork. Upwork is one of the leading website which provide the freelancers a way to earn money online. Here we have all kind of jobs are there, like development, IT. Mainly it's for IT, tutoring job, transcriptions, web designing. All related jobs are here. So you can create a profile over here and just check the required skills that you have and just bid the projects, and you will, if you are interact with, if the proposal is suitable for the client, then he will ping you or message you. Then you can start the contract over here. If everything goes well, he will start the contract and you will complete the work. Then you will get the amount of money that you have bid on that, right? Third one that we have the Freelancer. Again, this is the website. Here you can earn the money. If any kind of jobs here are there, so you can browse the jobs, find the jobs here. Here you can also post the job. If you want any person to that you want that job to do by any person, so you can hire the freelancers from this portal. And if you want to do the work and earn money, then you can also create a profile of freelancer and do the rest of the things over here, right? Fourth one is the Toptal. It is the one of the topmost website. Here you need to define a particular specialized in what field. So here, this is specialization part. Here you can create a profile, same process, you can bid on the projects. And here this have the different fundas. Lots of checks are there to create a profile, and test quizzes are there. After this they can approve your profile, then you can bid on the project. This have the high range of clients that have the given much more amount to the freelancers, right? Fourth, fifth, sixth one is that the guru. Here you can also create the profile accordingly. The same, this is the freelancer, programming, development, design, art, writing, translation, administrator, all kind of IT related jobs. You can find it over here also. This one, the cheaper website, the rates are cheaper. That is called the Fiverr. Here you can also get the freelance search services to find your business that you require. Website design, WordPress, logo design, all kind of freelancer jobs are you can get it from this, like this logo branding. So you can get the freelancers from there also. You can post a job also, right? So these are the websites where you can earn money. Last but not the least, that is people per hour. It will give you the job on the basis of per hour. So you can also create the profile over here and make a bid on that projects and get the project and take the money from the client. If you have the good relationships with them, then you can earn much more money on that these platforms. These are basically educational platforms, you can say engineering platforms for the IT or CSC platform, where you can do the jobs over here. So tutoring job, other jobs are also there. You can do also like data entry type of jobs are also there. Okay, so you can bid on that. You can create profile over here and just go ahead and earn money on these top websites. Okay, so hope you will get to know that what are these websites and what the websites they are doing. So you can go and check all the features over here and get started with that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. If you have any issue in that, please just let me know in the comments below and we will help you on that. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.